Hello, welcome to Indpro's technical content series for understanding bulk solids handling products, part 11. I'm Ronak, and today we'll be talking about bag dump stations and the importance of these in bulk solids handling. Raw materials in process industries often come in 25 kilo and 50 kilo bags, which must be unloaded effectively inside the process industries to unload these powders from these sources. The material from these bags, be it in form of powders, flakes or granules, must be unloaded cleanly, safely and ergonomically for the operators. This device consists of a bag placing platform, a grating, an integrated dust collector, an optional magnetic grill, an optional vibrating sieve and many more different features. The model that's available with us today is a portable bag dump station integrated with a screw conveyor. Come, let's have a look at how it works. We have a transportable frame which is mounted on caster wheels so we can move around the bag dump station within a process plant. Moving up from the platform, here we have a dumping platform where operators can open the unit, place bags on the platform, slit them open and dump it into the bag dump station. This device has an integrated screw conveyor that connects at the bottom of the bag dump station and can be used to transfer the product from the ground level to up till the first floor level. Here we have the control panel of the machine that is used for all the operational parameters for using the system.
Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching.